What is up, guys? I have a new show. Yay! So we are doing my 5th show of the series, and that is This Is Off! I'm so excited. So I play Tim, and she, because I had to change the character, because Tim is supposed to be a boy, but she's a girl. Now she's a girl, because she's not a girl! Female. So I am playing the overworked stage manager of the show, because it's a play inside of a play. If you know Noises Off, you're gonna understand. But I'm about to start decorating this right now. Roll the intro. So my director gave me an apron that I have to make look like an overworked stage manager stuff. So I might actually take some of this tape and stick some pieces of it around the apron. Yeah, I'm just gonna decorate this. I also have these glasses that I'm gonna put on top of my head because, you know, I do all the technical things. So yeah.
She said I'm able to wear this.
That's so cute. Anyways.
Isn't it absolutely adorable?
It is absolutely adorable.
I just have to cinch it a little more.
I love how you come in while I'm like vlogging in the beginning.
Oh, hello!
See.
I love this so much. I love this so much.
Okay, maybe it won't come off, but we're gonna fix something with it. Okay guys, so I got my apron done. I have some tape around it, and then I got some safety pins. I might fix this later, not sure yet, but like that tape thing holding on for dear life, I'm definitely gonna have to fix that. But for the most part, I think this looks good. So guys, we're now doing
vlogs. Woo!
okay.
Hey, Jay-Z rules.
Okay, so we're practicing something for when we all 3 of us are like a burglar. So we're all like supposed to be doing the exact same thing. So we're gonna
To add to comedy.
So it's set time. Not set time. What did I just say? But the set's back there. We're working on it. And here's Jay because he said he wanted to be in it. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I didn't see you.
I didn't see it.
At the cameras.
Did I drop this?
Then snap!
That's a teaser for the spring musical. Oh, you look so cute and patootie.
Oh wait, I don't think I can fit.
I don't think you can be on the vlog.
Yeah,
I don't think you can be in the
it's a
vlog.
little. Hi. We got the top of Shelby.
Ava's naked in the back of your pajamas. So, you're fine, Shelby.
I don't think the laundry really matters.
No, I'm literally. This is just. It's a shirt, guys. She's not naked. So we're doing it like a cast trick or treat now, because for Halloween, and I don't have a bag, so I got myself a bag either.
Where's the Wawa bags? Because I can use the Wawa bags.
So now we're like struggling to find a bag now.
Let me put my earbuds away.
Okay.
My earbud away because I was listening to music.
What if I just take a Ziploc? What if I just grab the Wawa? Can I use my apron? Please. I am seriously trying to like open this bag right now. Hold on, hold this for me. Because I'm gonna open the bag.
Everybody have a door? Oh, the window.
I'm getting through the window! I can't open it! We're through the window! I don't have candy.
Give Jack a little bit of extra candy.
I will, yeah.
No. No, just as you are.
I don't have candy. I saw bags.
I'll come back up there.
We're gonna start live. Probably gonna go
Okay, so I have my tool bag, and not my tool bag, my tool thing with the jig.
Can I be featured?
Yes, you can be featured. This is Gary. Hey! So, we're literally about to start acting, but the fit check needs to be done. So, oh my god, it smells like the food I just ate. So, I love this costume. I have my little glasses. I'm like my little toolbox glasses. I don't know, something like that. I wish I actually had glasses on right now. But like, I have this. Oh, that's why it looked unnatural. Belt type of thing. I have a screwdriver and my hammer. Probably should flip this over. Yeah, there we go. Whatever. I have tape. I have some things here to make it like look funny and cute. And then my overalls and then my 70s fit because we're in the 70s. But guys, this is a thing and I'm in love. So okay, so we just started running Act 1. That's 8 by the way. I don't think they can read it at all. I'll put the thing up. Hello, people. This is Dave.
These are her subtitles. There's subtitles right here, and if she does me dirty in editing and there's no subtitles, then I'm gonna have, I don't know, sad.
Subtitles because they can't.
Can you tell me shit?
We started Act 1, and it's going pretty well. And I love how this is like
Your costume is so cute. I like the spider.
I know, I did this like purposely.
They put it on your knee.
I can't put it on. Just stick some on there.
Spell it, help me.
Like SOS. We just did the scene and I loved it. And Jade is so funny.
We just did the scene where Brooke loses her contact lenses, so yeah, it's a thing. We're having fun. This is literally my favorite play. Like before I even knew we were doing it, this was my favorite play, and I was so excited. Oh man.
Wait, Tay is on stage. You're on stage, girl. Yeah. Censored. It's gonna be censored. It's okay.
Okay, guys, so we're running at 3 now. I got out of breath. I'm tired. I am literally about to lose it, but it's okay. I'm a burglar now. So that's my burglar costume. Also, TV's a burglar. We're both burglars. But I'm about to ask. I just told him that if he's going on anything. Boy! I have Jade's suit because I have to go on as Phillips double, but I don't have anything to go on as Phillips at the moment. But that's okay. it's okay. I just saw something happen and I was like, weird. But yeah. Hey guys, so it's a new day. I have to vlog it.
Facing all over while listening to the music.
I love that.
Okay, guys, so these
Oh my
pants.
god.
I love these pants.
I love these pants. Brian Fitch. But this is not actually how the costume's supposed to look. I'm just about to get mic'd.
I have a headache from doing that.
I wonder why. I wonder why.
Right now we're getting mic'd, so I don't have my full customers.
Hola. Como
I'm the
es?
Hamburglar.
Oh my god.
Wait, this is for the vlog, right? This is for the vlog. Hi, people on YouTube.
Get out, Jackson. Hi.
There are people on YouTube? Hi, people.
Yeah, she has a YouTube channel.
I do too.
Okay, guys. I am breaking out really badly for the first part. Like, it's bad. So I put my makeup. I put Ava's makeup on, but because I forgot my makeup. Not good. But since I'm in the 70s, it's supposed to be retro. This isn't retro at all. But costumes on, Act 1 costumes on at least. My bloody handkerchief because I end up getting slammed in the face with a door. I have my little glasses because, you know, I'm a working woman. What? Hi. Hi, V.
Do you have the mic tape?
I don't have any mic tape with me. Okay, guys, I am in my second costume now for Act 2. I only wear this for like a scene, like one scene, and then I'm done. Don't really care. I'm itchy. But yeah, it's sure. Green pants. Love it. For the most part. Actually my least favorite costume, but whatever.
You're coming up with excuses. Tay hates us, and she's cutting us out of all of the. You're cutting me out of your life? No! Oh my god, Tay's trying to kill Shelby.
Whoa.
Ow, Tay!
So yeah. Anyways, I love how I started vlogging just for that reason.
Primer.
I don't have primer.
It's just for
And I'm upset.
Fire went out, lights went down. When you feel lost in your shadow, don't feel alone, don't scream so loud. We are living in this cruel world, broken but strong, gotta move on. You're not a bakery of life. Equip my soul, find the real gold. I'll fulfill what I started.
I love Emma Sipes, but look how offset.
I love her, and I'm so amazed that she did this in like 2 seconds. But
Alrighty, guys. So we're actually on Act 3 right now. I filmed a lot, like just in the preparation of everything, so I didn't like feel like filming much. But yeah, we're on Act 3, so I'm in my regular costume. I did my monologue. I'm pretty much off on today. No. It's certain. Whatever. Hey guys, so I want to watch TV. It is Thursday. We had school today. It was just an asynchronous day, so I was home. I just had to do work at home, if that makes sense. I don't know. But I'm about to do my makeup, and then I gotta go to school in like 20 minutes. Luckily, I only live like 2 minutes away from school, so it's not that big of a deal. I'm just like super tired from waking up so early and having to do all my homework before it was due. So, yeah, I'm gonna do my makeup now. Okay, guys, I am here. I just recorded a curtain call because I'm gonna be in the curtain call for the show. I'm so excited. Oh, yes. Written by the Jade Fisher, by the way. Another shout out. But like, I'm gonna go get my mic now. Okay, guys. So like, we're in costume, so we're gonna do like a really quick run fit check. I guess I'll be starting. Okay.
Hi.
Okay.
So I got this dress. Then I have
Oh, she's
other clothes on. And then I have my blonde wig and my headband.
Oh, I have shoes.
And I have my shoes.
I'm in Converse right now.
I'm actually in Converse for the show.
I'm going to. Can we go on stage? When we go on stage, can we do the hi thing? Because we need that because I need to get that picture. I need to get the picture from Middletown printed so that I can give it to them.
Okay.
And
I have
to get
the apron, the 70s look, and then the overalls. You've seen this before. Liz,
So I look like an Easter egg. Easter core, comfortable sneakers. I hate the way this dress makes my body look.
girl.
It hides the curves. It's just making me look very frumpy. And then we have like the 70s like little like mullet thing. We're kind of eating. It's okay. Like the apron. Like see, I'm an Easter egg.
Alright guys, so just remembered after Act 1 with security.
Okay, guys. So we're kind of.
No one's
No.
Hi, happy opening night, everyone.
I continue my plan by cutting off her hair and all features that once made her recognizable. Finishing before my mom comes home from her shift, I dragged her body to the backyard of our house and placed her in the garden. While many people bury their childhood pet, I buried my high school best friend. As I patched up her holes, I saw white lilies creeping through the ground. I ripped them from the earth and placed them in my hair. If anyone is going to die with white lilies connecting their body to their soul, it's going to be Caroline Goodman. Remember your white lily. Remember your white lily, Caroline Goodman.
Why are you making eye contact?
Okay, guys. We started Act 1. That's all I can say. I have my handkerchief. I just followed back there, but whatever. Yeah. I have to go on soon. I just came to film a little bit because I have a little time between, but I forgot to film. But yeah, first costume, obviously. You've seen it. Oh, yeah. Good. Okay, guys, it is the last show. Guys, it's the last show.
When he was what, 10? And in those pants?
It is vlog time.
Hi, Jay.
Hi!
Can you Cut the part where I said it wasn't fully developed.
What? We were talking about.
Hi, Taste Vlog.
I missed that.
Cue photo montage. That would be cool though. That would be cool.
She's not gonna do that. She's gonna make you look stupid.
Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Cue Freddy fan edit right here. Third shot.
This way.
Oh wait. Okay.
You got that? Please, if someone has a phone out,
and then put the part
you should be cautious.
blooper reel and just do all of them. Oh my god, yeah.
For real. And I can see my.
Hey, you should be cautious of this.
Wait,
Come on, Bridget, do your thing.
Why not?
My back's aching.
My bag's aching.
Alright guys, this is the last time I'm filming backstage for I'm in Philip's costume because I'm about to go to this one. Well, I have Philip's jacket. It's about to start dying. But this is my last time. This is our last time doing this show. It's really upsetting to me. It's okay.
Hello,